he wants to join.
The FOMC master.
In Zoom, you are in. You can talk in Zoom, huh?
Yeah. But we're not
starting.
talking right now.
Yeah, I'm starting the stream, so guys, I'm gonna go in Zoom. You come in Zoom, talk there.
Okay, we're gonna Zoom talk.
Yo. Good evening. AB, I've sent you the link as well, bro. Welcome to the FOMC special episode.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Yo, Ed, Nick, are you in?
Yeah. What's up?
Welcome. Perfect.
Let's go, chat.
How are you?
Brother, can you lower a bit the volume?
What should I lower?
The music.
It's loud.
Yeah, a bit. Just little.
Yeah, wait.
The music.
It's loud.
Yeah, a bit. Just
Now?
yeah, I think it's good now.
If I go lower, it's gonna be at 0.
No, it's good now. Yeah, I can hear you good.
How come it doesn't want window capture?
AB, Mike, if you're in, I've sent you the Zoom link. If I go lower, it's gonna be at 0.
No, it's good now. Yeah.
Malaka, we might get a breakout in FOMC. Full FOMO in. It's a fun stream, guys. Who is watching? Welcome in. Like the video, sub to the channel. But this is a fun stream. We are not trading FOMC actively. We're just here to watch. Let me search on YouTube, Malaka. Is there any FOMC meeting?
There should be.
There should be, right?
Yeah.
FOMC meeting live.
I would like for them to talk about the government shutdown too. Like how long does it take?
Some other traders trading it. No official thing yet.
No, it's first in 15 minutes and we're gonna get more official stuff.
Do we have a press conference though? Because I don't think we have a press conference.
We should.
There's no official...
No, there's no press conference.
Yo, AB.
What up?
AB,
There's
Mike.
no press conference, you said.
Welcome in, bro.
Yo.
Nah, so this FOMC is just the meeting minutes. So
Yeah, exactly.
basically,
No
last
conference, right?
FOMC, yeah, whatever was discussed. So it's just like a repeat of that, like what all happened. So there's no like official meeting.
So there's nothing crazy also.
Yeah. But yeah, goalie is moving though. Yeah.
Yeah, you took
I
any
got
trades
traded.
for New York?
Yeah, bro, I took it. I took one in Asia, and then I took 2 in New York.
Yeah, me too. I took 2 trades in one too.
Nice trades you guys took, though.
Yeah.
If you took the same.
I think we took the same, right? You took the support and then the celery.
So at 8 a.m., right? 8 a.m. there was this support. Yeah. I'm just trying to find this. Yeah, this support at 7:45, 15-minute candle that created, and then it went into 8 a.m. So that 15-minute candle, I took it there.
Yeah.
Why? Because so of course, like that 15 didn't really have a lot of top wick. However, for me to take that trade, I was more aligned with the momentum, and then a bit of understanding about the lower time frame. So it was a really quick and easy trade. That one was nice. And then after that, yeah, definitely with the stream, the 30 celery.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Took the same.
Yeah.
So W on that. And I know you're sad today because we haven't been getting FOMC.
Nah, bro. I was just chilling, and I have to do a few things, so I had a bit of time. I was like, wait, what? We lied.
NFP was cancelled.
Yeah, bro.
We were all
I was
excited.
sad then. Yeah, I was sad on NFP.
Hey, B, are you gonna trade this FOMC, bro? I see there is volume.
Nah, bro, I'm done for the day. I'm just chilling.
Okay, chilling.
I
There's
can't
some
get my
volume for
charts
sure in
open.
shit. There.
What?
There we go. Nothing.
But Malakas, I thought there was gonna be a press conference.
Nah, bro.
Didn't know that there's not gonna be one.
So is there gonna be volume here for this or not?
Volume
I don't know, but there is
is
volume now for sure.
definitely there, yeah.
But like FOMC volume, like the spike.
Nah, not the crazy volume, but good enough to take trades.
Yeah. It's like regular session volume, kind of like NY
Yeah.
volume. But yeah, we're still in this chop here. Like we're just chopping around.
Crazy range, Malaka, today. Crazy range. Like this range is this circle here.
Like the 30-minute is so choppy to the downside.
This is the chop right there.
The chopper.
The chop itself. But everyone caught beautiful trades today, so that matters, Malaka. So
The price
Yeah,
action
no.
was nice.
Yeah, Nosh in the building.
brother,
Let's go.
I saw his camera. I think he's in.
Yeah,
should
he's
be.
in the Zoom. Yeah.
Malaka.
Janosch.
Why Nosh?
Bro, Janosch has been making a lot of money, bro.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Have you guys taken AB? Have you taken a payout for the money you made from the last FOMC?
Yeah, bro. Already.
Nice. You took out everything.
I mean, not everything, but whatever max was allowed. So
Yeah.
yeah.
And you trade with what? Top one, top step, or both?
Bro, top step.
Yeah.
I mean, they have been crazy reliable for me.
Yeah.
And
Same, yeah, I agree.
I also just took a payout on top step as well.
hey, W.
Like I said, with
now,
top one, I had two issues today, which I didn't have with top step never.
Mm-hmm.
My take profit would never hit Malaga. Like it hit in top step, but in top one never. And it was the same.
Yeah.
Like
I
some
mean, yeah,
weird stuff.
top one is still, a young company.
And
they are
today I was
doing-
putting like buy limits,
Yeah.
and it showed like that my positions were cancelled. So I was like, I pressed one more, and like 3 minutes after, like 5 buy limits appeared on the chart randomly. Like I was lucky that I didn't get activated. I was like, bro, I was like, whoa.
Yeah. But yeah, these kind of things also happen with top step, I think Janosch was in a trade and it was going in profit, and top step's platform was quaking, and he tried closing in profits, but the system just didn't allow to close, and then basically that trade ended up being a loss or something, and then he contacted them. He was like, yo, why did you take my profits? This is
Yeah,
not my
Malaga,
fault.
that's crazy.
Yeah.
That
But they
happened
gave
to
him a
me-
free reset.
Oh, that's
Because,
nice.
yeah.
That happened to me as well with top step. Like they liquidated. I was in a position. I was a few pips in profit, and they automatically closed my position for no reason.
Yeah. That's why you should just know what firm you're trading with and what kind of workflow the firm has, and then just forget about it and just trade the candles. I mean, forget everything else.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. I requested a payout yesterday, and bro, like within 24 hours, everything is done with top step. So
Yeah, top step is crazy. Like, you get
Yeah.
you get them with Wise.
yeah, exactly, bro.
Yeah, same,
exactly.
same.
Wise is nice. For me, it
Yeah.
took 2 days for them to finalize everything.
Yeah, same for me.
Yeah.
To like 2 days.
But once they send it, it goes immediately into Wise.
Exactly. And they have this tracker thing too, right? On the payouts. What's happening with their payout?
Yeah.
Requested funds.
And
And
then
the
I
best
sent
thing is the funds removed.
Yeah, and I sent it
Instant.
from my Wise account to my bank account immediately, like instant.
Exactly.
Yeah, but that's wise. Yeah, that's wise.
Yeah, of course, but it's nice that they partner with them to make it
Yeah,
easy.
fully.
Bro,
fully.
Wise is such a peaceful integration, you know.
And then also AB,
I
I
agree.
Yo.
signed up to become a business, so now every account I
Hey.
buy is a business expense, so I don't pay taxes on those profits.
All right, boys, welcome to the full margin session. Ed is gonna go full margin right now.
I'll buy as many accounts. If I'm let's say I have 2K and I'm
Yeah.
like my business is up 2K profit. Let me spend some money to lower that profit on full margin accounts.
Bro, crazy. Crazy. And this is like, bro, just imagine, yeah. 1 year ago, when we were all still very young in trading, we wanted to do these kind of things, right? Whatever we are doing right now. So
The growth is
that's so good.
crazy.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah.
Manifestation, Malek.
Alex, bro, what's
Yo.
your breakout trades, bro? I've been seeing on IG and everywhere.
Yeah.
So your breakouts, do you put like a buy limit on a 50% area of the breakout candle, something like that? Is it like that?
Yeah, basically it's very simple what I'm doing. The last year I'm trading like that.
Mhm,
It's basically I'm like every time I have a breakout, but the breakout needs to align with the hard time frames, right?
Yeah.
I basically enter on the 30
Yeah.
and I expect, because I know price action wise the next candle is gonna come and retest the zone. I'm willing to take this entry like a discount entry before waiting for the break of the highs as well and stuff.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I target only 1-to-1s though. I don't go any further than 1-to-1.
Okay.
Like it's strictly 1-to-1.
Okay. Yeah. Because those trades look really clean, and usually, so that's your edge, bro. Like that's actually
Yeah,
your
exactly.
edge.
That's what I'm only trading that the last year. Only like what if you see my journal the past year, it's only this.
Bro, that's crazy discipline.
And-
And it makes sense that you're streaming now because
And Alex,
You've
Yeah,
done
like
the hard
I kept this move fully, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna like master the breakouts because I'm still learning. You know, I still see how can
Yeah.
I save a loss and stuff to increase win rate more.
yeah.
And then I'm like, if I keep it in for like 1-2 years and like this becomes my playbook now, I'm gonna add the onion. Like I like the onion a lot.
Yeah, bro, exactly. So the other day you asked me, right? Ed, I think you asked me, what's your favorite setup
Yeah.
to take? And Alex, when you said breakouts, and you know I hate breakouts.
I know.
So I was like, how? I mean, how can breakout be a really good setup for somebody? You know, like the setup that's like the go-to setup for you now. So I was very intrigued, and then I saw your stories, and we were hanging around in the streams too. And I also know, okay, if I see Alex is streaming and there's a rocket in the chart, so you know which direction price is going. But yeah, that's great, bro.
It's like
really-
Malaga, it's like you need to
Welcome.
find a way to work the strategy. Like for me, breakouts work because I'm
Yeah.
targeting like fully 1-to-1s. Like I've seen in breakouts, like if I take the breakouts the way Nick's trade them,
yeah.
I can't take 1-to-1, and I'm like as a trader, I can't go less than 1-to-1 for me. So like, I found my edge on the breakouts because I like them. But like, if you can make like onions work, I think onions are magic as well. Like bro, like.
Yeah.
If you read the market well, onions are
Yeah.
huge.
AB.
Yo.
Also, Alex went from making his own strategy to teaching it to someone, and he just passed his account like
Oh
was it
yeah,
yesterday.
yesterday
Yo.
it was. Yeah, Nick passed the account.
Yo, bro, I'm this kid. Like, Alex
Alive.
showed me his strategy 4 months back, and yesterday I passed my first funding.
Hey, that's crazy. Let's go.
Like, I followed with strictly discipline and backtest, listened to him what he said, and now I passed my first funded account.
Oh, that's crazy, bro. Crazy. Alex,
Yeah,
good
that was
job.
proud. Proud moment, Malaga.
And Livaska.
Yeah,
Livaska, bro, crazy.
yeah, bro.
Enjoy. I know we are taught that we shouldn't go too high on the highs and too low on the lows, but bro, this is a nice accomplishment.
Yeah, that's what I said, Alex, yesterday. Like the moment that I passed my funding, I was like crazy happy because it was a milestone. It was not emotions on trading. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Bro, my first 100k that I had ever cleared in Forex, I still remember when I had passed phase 2. So I was working as well. I was in my office at that time. I took a trade, passed that account, and I went to a separate conference room. I needed some time alone. Bro, I was shaking.
Yeah,
I was
bro.
shaking. I had like tears in my eyes.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I've done it.
Yeah, me too,
That
bro.
was
Bro,
crazy.
Guys, when I passed my account, my first 50k, I just kneed down and I prayed to God. I was like shaking, Malaga. Like, I remember it.
Yeah.
It's impossible for you not to get hyped
Yeah, true.
because it's your basically goal, right? So the way I said it to Nick was like, you need to get happy when you achieve goals. So now if you pass another account, you're not gonna feel happy. So goal achieved. So now the next goal is a payout, you know, and then increase the payout and increase the payout and increase the payout. So
Yeah.
there's
Yeah,
always
I
another
love it.
goal to have.
Exactly.
And yeah, whenever you end up making mistakes, and you're gonna make mistakes, that's the number one thing. So yeah, just take care of yourself. That's it. Otherwise, you'll end up losing a lot of hair, brother.
A lot of stress.
Lot of stress.
No, yeah, but he was smart though. In the beginning, he didn't trade real money. He just learned.
Yeah,
Like for me, I didn't do that. I was just like,
Yeah, I did that too, man. I think it's but you need to treat fake money like real, if that makes sense.
I just
Yeah,
went straight
bro.
into it. I was like,
Yeah.
let me get that money.
bro.
back.
Had I done that, I don't think I would have pursued trading seriously. You know, I don't know. That's personally just me. I couldn't have done that.
Like 2 months in, and I'm already buying a 100k forex account. I was going crazy, blowing them left and right.
Yo, did you guys see my Forex funds? They posted a photo.
Yeah,
on their
they're coming
Instagram.
back.
Ah,
Yeah.
I saw it.
I'm not even gonna touch that company, bro.
Why, bro?
Bro, I'll definitely touch them, bro, because they have touched me.
I'm gonna buy the maximum.
I
the
still have a
account.
5k account. That was my first ever account that I bought for trading.
Imagine they send you an email. Oh, you can trade it back. Sorry for the delay.
I'll go full margin on news on that thing.
Bro, you know. you
The
know.
drill.
You know the drill. Now you're a business as well.
But yeah,
Now you
like,
blow
that was my
5k
first
like
ever
it's 5
account.
euros, man.
And then they end up freezing that. Like that was my experience with prop firms, my forex funds.
It's the best
Okay, guys,
experience you can have when you start in order for you to know the danger, Malaka.
Yeah, I was about to buy 100k with them as well, right? Before
Yeah.
it froze. But luckily I didn't.
I think I had a 5k account with them. And I didn't know anything about trading, bro. I didn't know anything at that point. I was just starting, you know. And then I had a 10k account with them. I was copy trading them, okay? You know, wanted to make big bucks. And then my Forex funds is like, nah, hell nah, we are going away. So what I did, the most stupidest thing ever, I was like, nah, I can afford it. Okay, let me get this 100k account with TFT, the funded trader.
Oh, Malaka.
Yeah, those.
But bro, I cleared that account. I took my first ever payout from that account. And then I still remember, bro. So it was bi-weekly payouts, right? So it's just one more day I have to wait. And I was sitting at 8.6k in that 100k account. Okay. I'm sitting at that because I was just trading very nicely. And then, bro, just one day before that, I blew the entire account on
8K
NQ
profit.
just to catch 5 pips. Bro, I blew it all. cried like a baby.
But you learn from it. That's the important part. You're like, I'm not gonna.
At the moment, though, this happens, you are not like, oh, I'm gonna learn. You are like quaking.
Yeah, you're like,
But that
nah.
pain you feel is the lesson.
Yeah, fully.
Because you don't want to feel that pain again.
Yeah, true. But not gonna lie, I felt that pain multiple times after that too.
You have to. Because the first time you're like, okay, maybe it was just unlucky. But then once it happens like 10 times in a row, you're like, okay, I gotta stop.
Like,
This is not true luck. This is my fault. After 10 times. Dennis is in also. Welcome, brother. Welcome in.
Dennis in both chats
What
here.
up, Dennis?
Dennis everywhere spamming the W's, malaga.
W man. Oh yeah, AB, I got my wisdom tooth removed today.
Hey, bro. So, are you wise now or not?
What do you think? The wisdom tooth, does it keep your wisdom? And when you remove it, you get it all? Or does it give you your wisdom when it's there?
Bro, I think what ultimately matters is when it comes to being wise is how green your wise account is looking, you know?
Very green.
Malaga, I was about to say the same. And also, Malaga, it looks like you need to remove more teeth. You remove the teeth today and you got 2 wins.
That is true.
Bro, if you remove every tooth, you're gonna be a millionaire. So imagine that.
And then you get like gold teeth, you know, just like the rappers.
With all the profits, I just buy gold teeth, and then they will start to increase in value over time.
And then
so
we change your name, and then we change your name to Ed Buzz Blab Mamba FX Reloaded.
Oh man.
Bro, not gonna lie, you'll definitely make a lot of money.
The golden eggshell, Malaga.
The golden
eggshell.
The red drop. The gold drop.
The gold drop.
The gold drop.
Bro, yeah. Ed, change your Insta name to Gold Drop, bro.
Gold drop.
Yeah.
We dropping gold on them.
Yeah. And in the bio, just put a chart emoji.
But man, imagine like if you were to find a skeleton with golden teeth, how much money you would make from that?
Depends where gold is trading at that point.
I don't think gold will ever like come down to less than 2K. Like no way.
Bro, if it comes down, I'm gonna make a lot of money taking cells. Taking cells on the way.
Oh, yeah.
That's the only thing I'm concerned about.
You know what's crazy? We're about to hit like 4,100. Like, that's just madness right there.
Yeah, 2 years ago we used to do a top-down analysis at
2K.
1800 is the
Damn,
monthly
it was
resistance.
crazy, bro. Imagine. Crazy.
Yeah, I remember this area here where we were ranging. I remember like this is when I first started watching Nick. He was like, we're still in this range here. We're at the top of the range, so we might reject from here. So we're gonna be looking for sells during this month. And then you just see it come down, and then here we're near the support. Like we were just ranging in there.
Bro, on the monthly time frame, if you go on the monthly and you go and you see when you started trading with Nick, you're gonna see, bro.
Yeah.
This range you're talking about now is like a huge monthly range, basically.
Mm-hmm. I began in 2023. So yeah, April 2023.
Yeah, look at that.
Like price at the lowest they got was 2060.
Yeah, you remember right, because you're basically tapping the resistance exactly this month, and then the next month you're bleeding.
Yeah. Crazy.
So, you know, when people ask you, okay, do you even know how far you've come? We can actually measure that in pips, right?
On gold.
True,
That we
Malaga.
started at
Let's
1800. Yeah.
Let's
So
measure
we
how
can
many
tell our
pips.
age, you know.
Oh my! I have been in the markets for 18,765 pips.
Yeah, almost 20k pips, Malaga. I've been for 25 or something. Let's see.
Let me see.
But it also depends on when you enter, because what if you entered at like the all-time highs?
Malaga, I would be up 25,000.
But bro, this time, oh wait, let me first find my thing.
Crazy.
Like just imagine you first started trading, you just full margin buy at the bottom, and you just held for until now. Imagine that.
Yeah, and you're like, bro, I'm just closing my position now. I'm finally okay with the profit.
Yeah, I think that's enough for me.
Yeah.
I think, yeah,
20,000 pips. Okay.
Yeah,
Some light.
I'm just gonna post a story now with my win, 25,000 pips.
If you know, you know.
Just a
No,
swing
you don't.
scalper, bro. Swing scalper.
Like a slight little 2-year scalp on the. Yeah, but if you, I don't think any prop firm would allow that.
Okay, so yeah, I'm also at 20k pips. All right.
Yeah, Malaka, you see.
Yeah, we all started in that range right there.
Yeah.
The real prop
We were
traders started
yeah.
in that range.
And now the real question is, how many pips from that 25k that we caught? So we need to go back in our journal and see.
There ain't no way you caught 25k though, because that's.
You
Today I
probably
got today over a 3 trade total. I got 200 pips today.
200.
Yeah, bro, because the market is moving so nicely. Just like
Yeah,
focus on
true.
the
The
buys
range
and
are
say
good.
goodbye.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sales are out of the equation here.
Because bro, I'm finding trading these all-time highs really easy.
Yeah.
Easier. Why? Because bro, my first all-time highs were in December of 2023 when I was like fully in. Very beginner, but fully in on trading. You remember like Sam Capital, he was putting up a story that guys, we broke, this is first time this is happening in the history.
Yeah.
Then the next time all-time highs, I saw it in 2024 around the same time. In Q4, starting 2 months of Q4. So that, and this time I'm fully prepared for this ride up, this rally, and I just wanna like make good money by following my setups and all. I don't wanna sound just money minded, but the plan is to trade really nicely in October and November, and bro, then I'll directly trade in February. I don't wanna trade in December and January.
Yeah, no, December, August is like no for me as well.
Yeah. Because anyways, those are holiday seasons, so I would rather, take the rewards of trading and invest in now family, friends.
This is what the Raja used to say in his streams. Like he used to ask, like, is it so difficult? Like you are trading for freedom, and it's so difficult for you not to trade 1 month. Like go enjoy your family and your holiday.
Yeah, I mean,
There's no
initially, of course, like Raja is true on that, but again, bro, it depends. See, when you are a beginner and when you are still learning the tools of the trade, bro, no chart time is enough from an ideal point of view. And usually, what happens is everybody is addicted to the charts. We like it. It's just once you reach to a good stage where you know what you're doing, where you are now consistent, you are taking money out of the markets. At that point, yeah, then you need to learn how to control yourself, and that's
exactly.
I would say that phase is for an intermediate to the guy who's now moving towards the advanced stages of trading. I think that is for them, not for the beginners.
Yeah, no, I totally agree on that. Yeah, of course, the beginner needs like time. Yeah, I agree. He won't get that.
Like even people in the clubhouse who are trading, right? So Magnus and John and Nick, right? So Nick definitely is in a league of his own. He is like crazy. Now Magnus and John, they are so young, bro. They're so young, like 2021. Bro, imagine they still have a lot of growing to do, in life and all. Imagine those boys at 25 with the trading knowledge that they will have.
Yeah, bro, crazy. Like, right? That's the good thing with trading, Malaka. It's a skill that if you, like, it's very difficult for you to understand it fully, but if you are at the percentage of the population that understands it, you can basically, Malaka, compound it heavily.
Bro, compounding works crazy, right, in this game?
Crazy in this business, like upscaling the accounts and compounding. Look, like it's what Einstein said, Malaka. It's the 7th wonder of the world. Like for trading, it's a wonder, Malaka. You can compound your money so like as you said, imagine Magnus in 25
Yeah.
with all
Bro, I
that,
was-
and
yeah.
also you are becoming a better person through that because you are controlling basically yourself every day.
Yeah, true. And I was talking to Janusz today. Janusz was making this point that, bro, like scaling up is so important once you know, okay, what you're doing. And important as in it gives you so much freedom that on the same trade now, if you have like 5 accounts hooked on, you just make 500 on one account and that's 2500, bro. Like, where are you making 2500? And uh, so, yeah, that's why, it's important for people who are in the beginner to the intermediate stage, right? Just be calm, calm, calm. But
Cool,
again,
impatient.
yeah, a lot of thing happens when somebody is learning from somebody, right? That they reach to a point, and I think everybody does, or maybe it's just me, that they reach to a point where now I'm doing everything that you're telling me to do that works for you, but it's not working for me.
Yeah.
So at that point, I think a lot of traders reach there. Then is the final, defining point. Okay, do you still want to continue this, or are you done? So that's an important phase.
I totally agree. I totally agree, bro. Like, this is the phase that most quit because this is the phase that is gonna show you, like for me or you or somebody else in TT. Let's say I respect Nick. He trades like crazy, but for me, I couldn't make it work.
Yeah.
So from Nick, I learned everything though. So how am I gonna use this knowledge now that I get to learn from Nick and make it my own strategy? Because if I keep trading like Nick, I'm not gonna make money. So I need to find my own edge now, with basically the teaching that Nick said. So it's another difficult game for you to come up with your own stuff in trading. It's very difficult, and it's inevitable to happen. At some point you are gonna need to find your own strategy. So this is gonna
And
show
bro, I've spoken to Nick a few times now, and bro, he would be way more proud of somebody who learned from his streams and now is doing his own thing. Bro, he would be way more prouder compared to somebody who's just, adapting. I mean, not saying that he's not proud of them too. But
of course.
Yeah.
It's another, I understand this.
Yeah, bro,
For me, it went like that, bro. I used to watch Nick and I was like, bro, I respect that guy, but I fucking can't get what he does. Every time I try to do it on my own, I'm fucking losing money. Am I stupid or is he so smart? I was like that. And at some point I was like, okay, just chill. You are also like Nick, you can do it, find your edge. So I was looking at the charts like maniac, and then I found this strategy that I'm trading with, that you asked me before. And I was like, man, I'm gonna go backtest. And then it was a year of working and backtesting. I backtested everything. I was like, yeah, now I can say that this is my strategy.
Bro, that's so
And
crazy.
it was at this moment, man, everyone is gonna pass from this moment.
Yeah, bro, exactly. And that's the beauty of it, right? Without us hanging out on next stream and learning what you should be learning, right? Initially it's just not about money. It's not about money, right?
No,
Initially
of
it
course.
should be just about studying, but of course nobody is that ideal. Ideal in the sense that they would be perfect in everything.
Yeah, for me, everyone comes in the game for money, but Malaka, for me,
Yeah.
trading is like a sport. You need to love the sport.
Exactly.
If you want to become a basketball player, you need to love shooting the ball. If you want to become basketball player for just the money and the fame, you are gonna probably result in you failing.
Exactly.
It's the same with trading. If you come here for the money, I think you are gone soon. But if you come here because you love the game,
Yeah, true. It's so, I mean, that's the thing, everybody gets it at different stages when it comes to trading. Bro, I don't look at trading as a setup or as a candle or something very not like that. I try to look at it as like a flow of price, because
Yeah.
ultimately, it's just numbers changing based on human perception and behavior, right?
Exactly.
So I just like to look at, okay, how it is flowing and all, and on top of that, of course, then I have my technicals which support the trade. But for me, it's more like, okay, uh I'm just putting money behind my knowledge of trading. That's it. So for example, if a trade is happening there and I see, okay, a trade is there, what is basically a trade? Anticipating where the next candle is going according to the price action, right? That's it. So then I'm just putting money behind, okay, this is my trade, candle should move up to here, and that's the entire idea. So I'm just putting money behind that idea, and that's it. I see trading just like that. That's it. I don't
Yeah,
see it
bro,
as,
yeah.
okay, this trade is gonna give me that car, or this trade is gonna pay my bill.
Yeah,
And
like
yeah,
it's Malaka. You need to, like, for me, every expense now is basically pips.
yeah,
This will cost me 500 pips. This will cost me like 4 trades, like that,
Yeah, exactly.
But bro, it's like, because you see trading like monopoly. For me, trading is not a job; it's like a passion. Like I cannot say it like in English very good. Like it's like monopoly, bro. It's like I'm playing a game right now. I like if you used to play video games.
Yeah.
I used to play young video games. Now I'm playing another video game, another kind of video game. That's the way I see it.
Exactly. I totally understand what you're saying. I just won't be able to put it out in words.
Yeah, Malaga, like we're just watching candles go up and down. Like, forget the price, forget gold, forget everything. You're just looking at the price, at the chart.
Yeah.
Like it's
Yeah, she sent me a video one time when I was just struggling a bit with trading and struggling with, feeling bad about making money when I consistently started making it. And
Yeah.
then sent me a video, and in that video there was this guy, I don't remember who, but he said that, bro, you're not doing anything. Like, you're not doing anything to change the world or decision like that. It's just you're drawing up lines on the chart and anticipating where the candle is going. So don't take it so seriously that
exactly, exactly, Malaga, exactly.
what life
exactly.
is happening and all. Bro, ever since then I was like, yo, okay. So the next day when I was going into a trade, right? Of course I was anxious and all because I was kind of stressed in terms of where my trading was at that time and all. And then I remembered that video, and bro, that was the cleanest trade ever. Crazy.
Yeah, it's like that, Malaga. It's like a game.
Yeah,
It's like a video game.
When you take a trade, if you're anxious in the trade, you're gonna most likely do something you don't want to do in that trade.
Exactly.
Man, FOMC, where's the volume at?
Nothing, bro. Like it's like AB
I think
mission.
it's done now.
Hello.
Yo, Janosch.
Hello.
Yeah, no.
Nagasaki.
In the building. Welcome in.
What's up?
Good, bro. How are you?
I'm doing great.
We're just chilling with AB here, talking about the trading stuff.
Yeah, I was listening.
How are you, Malaka? How's life?
Pretty good. Pretty nice.
Happy to hear, Malaka. I've seen also you're eating some good food in your stories.
Yeah, man. Got
Enjoying life.
to. Always.
Let's go.
Always, yeah.
Time to eat.
Always.
Time to eat.
Time to eat.
TDE, baby.
Malaka, are you in Germany now? Are you in Poland? Where are you?
Germany.
He took the walk.
Check the walk. No, I'm still in Germany.
But bro, it's so nice, man. Like all the people here. Just a few months ago, we were on the other side, right?
Yeah.
No profitability, no money,
Nothing.
not knowing what the fuck is happening.
Just hope, Malaka. Nothing.
Yeah,
man.
just hope. And now, see, all of us here, like, we have taken at least one payout.
I think
That
for me,
changes
the game-changing thing was switching the futures. Like,
Yeah.
bro, I remember I was hating on it in the beginning, but
Bro, you know why I've thought about it? Because it's the same for me. Malaka futures, the whole way that it performs, it's more professional, so you take it more serious. I don't know how to explain
true.
it.
Yeah.
And then also you have way less expenses on those accounts
Yeah.
compared to Forex. I remember
Yeah, but
FTMO.
everything is like more professional. Like even if I paid 600 for an account, Malaka, you have no spreads. Like you have like everything is flowing, good.
Yeah, just Forex overall feels a little bit
On
more.
Forex, Malaka was stopped out in a trade that the candle never broke the lows, but the spread did. Like it didn't make sense.
And bro, very honestly, trading on futures feels very easy, because now you can actually, I mean, bro, like 20 pip scalps, or even in futures, not gonna lie. Okay, guys, full transparency. During my wild days when I was just trying to figure out everything in trading, bro, I was also attempting these 2 to 3 pip scalps. Okay. And bro, you know why? Because it was possible. Imagine trying to scalp 3 pips in Forex.
Nah,
I mean,
those 2 pips are spreads.
Yeah, true, exactly.
Bro, sometimes I remember spread went up and you had like 4 pips.
Yeah, but we get wild sometimes.
Bro, seriously.
Especially like
The
news
spread-
trading with futures is like, no spread at all. It's crazy.
I mean, nobody knows nothing.
Nobody- like,
Let's
that's-
just put it at that.
Bro, you remember the typical stuff in Forex? You would be on sells and candle went up, rejected the highs, but the spread broke the highs, you were stopped
Yeah.
out and then full target hit.
Yeah,
You're like, what the fuck is happening? Like,
exactly.
who is watching me?
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
That on a negative way, though, not like a good song.
Yeah, exactly.
I was like,
Like, yo. Okay, Alex, question to you. You were away for a while from trading.
me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did it help you in trading after coming back?
I was not fully away from trading. I was fully away from like every distraction about trading, if that makes sense. I was like very tunnel focused. I closed everything, and I was like, I need to make it work. I'm gonna go back to life when I have this worked, Malaga. Like I was like, this is my only hope. If that doesn't work, I'm fucked. I'm,
Okay,
like, very
so give me
stressed
details. Like, what did you do? If you don't mind sharing. Oh, for sure.
What did I do? I just sat home. I was fat, smoked a lot of weed, depressed.
W.
and I was just watching
That's how I
the,
became profitable.
huh?
That's AB and my special recipe.
That's how you make money.
Bro, see, I was so devoid of the green that I had to incorporate some green so that my accounts look green, you know. There's a reason why green is the mod god on every stream, bro.
But yeah, that was it, Malaga. Like full focus on the charts. Like, and then I
Yeah.
started the fitness journey. I was like, I woke up one day, I'm gonna lose everything, and then I
Yeah.
went slowly back into life, Malaga. Like again, back into you guys, into trading, like more publicly, into like being in the community. But even in my life, personal life, I just deleted every distraction.
That's crazy, bro. That's something I also want to do. But
Nick said that because I followed exactly what Nick said. Actually, I didn't thought about anything that I did.
You guys remember the doorknob?
I'm just a guinea pig for Nick, Malaga. Like if I get an interview from Nick, I'm just his guinea pig. I just copied him to the exact. Like he said that to the exact. Like go and cut everything out. Your friends, your like habits, your everything. Like cut everything. Cut even me. Like,
Yeah, I did the
focus-
same.
Just focus on yourself and do that for like a couple of months, and you're gonna return and like fully different. And this is what I did.
Basically, we locked ourselves in this room until
Yeah,
we came out with
yeah,
some
you-
funded accounts. And
You put
hey,
yourself into jail, Malaga.
Time out.
But it was not about
But-
trading only for me. It was like general life. Like trading for me is not my main thing. Like trading is just a stream of income for me. No, the main thing is like to be happy in life.
Of course, it's like if you're not enjoying what you're doing, then what's the point?
Yeah, true. And I think, you know, a lot of people don't enjoy trading.
Yeah, bro. Like most of the people
A
don't
lot of
enjoy
people
it.
don't, and it's very difficult for them to come to terms with that because of all the dreams that trading has promised them, or they have made fake promises to them that this is what they're gonna give it.
Bro, like if you study people's psychology, like and like in general, like what happens is basically everyone wants to achieve something fast. Even if that's money, that's fame, that's a good wife, that's a good car. Everyone wants wants the stuff fast.
Yeah.
So the hope that trading gives you that, oh, you can make it faster, if not fast, than other professions. You're like, oh, like I should like it, because if I don't like it, I'm stupid, I'm losing the opportunity. So even if you don't like it, you're like, oh, I should like it.
Yeah.
But you don't like trading, you like the money and the lifestyle all around trading. So
And you know, even then, if somebody is aware about that, right, that they only like the money and the lifestyle side of it, bro, till the time they're aware, they can still make it work. But awareness is like one of the things, right? The only awareness I see these days is the guy whose
In the
name is
YouTube
awareness
chat.
in the YouTube chat. Exactly. Bro, a lot of people don't know what they're doing. For example, that is what, like my earlier point when I said, right, most of the people just copy blindly,
yeah,
right?
Cool.
So, of course, like if I'm teaching somebody and if I'm streaming and if I take 2 losses on something which I think works for me, right? According to my knowledge, is perfect. But bro, there's a difference now because people are also like blindly following you, and a lot of people end up blowing the accounts and then they end up blaming the guy who was teaching.
Yeah, exactly,
So-
bro. Like AB, you remember the first time I did that stuff, like on Instagram, posting stories and stuff for trading.
Yeah.
A lot of like Greek friends of mine like approached me and they were like, oh, I want you to teach me, or I want you to like take my money, malaka, trade it and stuff like that. I was like,
Yeah.
okay, let me show you what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Bro, like we had one call, I would spend like 3 hours on a Sunday for no reason.
Yeah.
And then I told them, look, like go back test that.
Yeah.
Then next week came, they didn't even answer the phones. And
Exactly.
if you ask them why, they would be like, why should I backtest something? It works for you, so it's gonna work for me. So, you know, like they don't love trading. Like for me, when I found trading, I was like, Malaka, I need to make that happen. You know, it was not like, oh, I'm gonna copy trade Nick, I'm gonna become profitable. Like it's the...
Yeah, exactly. I mean, copy everything good that Nick does.
Exactly, yeah.
But
And see us,
copy it
Malaka.
in your way, you know? I mean,
Exactly.
so in India, there's this meme that, okay, so during exams or something like that, you know, just copy my answer, but don't copy it exactly. Add your own things to it.
Yeah, like copy
And
the
and-
attitude behind the answer, yeah.
Right. And then the guy who's copying it, that guy is so stupid that he has copied the exact same thing. Now both of them are in trouble. So yeah, it's just like that. And you know, bro, then
Yeah,
people just end up getting lost in the sauce that, okay, this mentor is stupid. He doesn't know what he's doing. You know, they end up blaming their things on the mentor. He doesn't know how to trade.
And
Yeah, but this is life, Malaga. Like all these people are gonna blame everyone. Like they're gonna blame their parents for not being like successful. They're gonna blame the mentor. They're gonna blame their wife, not themselves though.
Yeah, they're gonna blame everything except
But the thing, like,
themselves.
life changed for me at the moment I realized that everything that happens to me, even the things I don't control,
Yeah.
it's actually my fault.
Yeah.
Exactly, bro.
And also where you're
place-
at right now in life is just the result of your thoughts in the past.
Janusz,
Yeah,
bro,
fully.
I was about to say the same thing, that the place where you are at right now is 100% the result of your
Malaka,
actions over the
we all
last
here
5
we
years.
all here are the living example of this, bro. Like you remember 2 years back, 1 year back, for many, like we prayed for this time, and this time we live it. And why do we live it? Because we prayed it. And why didn't we live it last year? Because the year before last year, we didn't pray about this. We prayed about some negative stuff. So,
Exactly.
like, it always, it's all about, it's not manifesting in terms of manifest, but you know, you get the idea. Like, it's basically whatever you want, just think and act on it. Malaka.
Just go for it.
Act like you already have it, and then you'll have it.
Yeah, act like if you want to get rich, act like you are rich. Don't go spend everything, of course, because you're gonna get poor, but act like you are one. Like, have
You
the
know,
attitude
bro-
of a rich guy. Wake up in the morning, feel blessed, you know, don't feel like negative.
And you know, the thing is like, see, why I trade is, I'll be very honest, I'm trading just for myself and my goals, very honestly and very bluntly, to put it out there. And you know, in
Yeah,
the
respect,
mean,
Malaka.
yeah, and in my journey, whoever is asking for help, bro, I'll go out of my way to help them. You know,
this is
during from this trading thing. But again, like, you know, so I've been posting, and usually I don't do it, but I made good money in the past 1 month. Okay, let's just say that. And I was just posting it in the clubhouse profit section, that just for inspiration kind of thing, because I was just a guy from YouTube chat, right? So that started happening, and you know, there were a few losses in the clubhouse and on the YouTube. So now everybody is coming in my DMs and asking me, okay, what are you doing different? Are you taking bases? Are you taking longer trades? What are you doing? And I'm like, guys, see, I am not taking all the trades of Nick, or I'm not taking John Magnus trades, because I am trading on my edge, and my edge is different. But I follow the TDE top down and TDE knowledge, because that's home. TDE is home. So I'm chilling here. So I'm telling them, guys, just be calm. Just be calm. Go through the cycles of trading, bro. So yeah, a lot of these things are happening, and you know, I just don't want to discourage anybody, but bro, you are then getting lost in the sauce if you're asking these
Yeah,
questions.
fully.
Yeah.
Like, you are focusing on stuff you shouldn't even focus. Like,
Exactly.
even me, like, I would tell them, like, even me, I'm gonna have a red month. Like, what do you mean? Like, even
Yeah.
if, like, for example, this was the reason most people are unprofitable, because, for example, I'm copy trading Nick, and then Nick has a red month. Then AB Mike is streaming. Then I'm gonna start copying AB Mike. Then AB
Yeah,
Mike is gonna
if
have
I'm
a
in a
red
good
month.
if I'm in a good winning streak, bro, I'll have that audience. Okay, next month I take 2 losses back to back. Now they're gonna be, oh, let's go to the trading.
Let's
reps.
go back to TT
Yeah.
now. This
You
guy
guys
doesn't know.
remember when Nick took that 6 losing streak? How many people stopped watching him?
Yeah,
Bro,
It's
but bro,
crazy.
We were
How many-
working overtime, kicking people out or trying to keep the chat respectful, bro. All the mods, bro. We were working
Bro, that's
overtime.
when
we never got
the-
paid.
That's when the term Quake Yard got invented.
Yeah.
'Cause
Yeah, bro, because there were so many people in the Quake yard.
But I'm pretty sure, Malaka, the same people that left, the same people now, a big
back.
percentage of them are back with different usernames because they are shy.
Yeah, and it's okay. I mean, ultimately, bro, if with a
it's
different
great.
username, they
I
can
understand it.
inherit a different persona and make good in their life, bro. W to that.
Yeah.
No, I understand it, of course, and then W to that, respect to that, but it shows that, you know, like, it's not Nick's fault or Alex's fault or AB fault or Janos'
Exactly.
fault. It's your fault.
But again, bro, see, that's the challenge of being on the internet. So, like, for them, the challenge is finding somebody and sticking to them. For you, who's streaming, now that is a challenge. How do you deal with the people when you go through a losing streak? How many mods do you have right now?
Me, I have like Dennis and then one, but like one more.
Okay. But I hope, bro, in the next 6 months, you need like 4 or 5 mods who are working overtime and removing people just because you took 3
Wow,
losses
like,
back to back. I hope that happens to you.
We are praying for this for these bad times.
The quaking
Exactly.
begins.
Exactly.
Bring me more Quakers, Malaka. They're gonna make my
want
my
all the
streak go
Quakers.
better.
Bro,
But
I'll
honestly,
give
it'd
you
be
a
like-
simple example, bro. I was on your stream. I was chilling. Okay, we talked about breakouts. I saw your IG stories. I was interested. I asked you about that setup. Okay. You didn't have to do anything else. You were just doing your own thing, and I got intrigued in your setup because I hate breakouts. So that was really interesting. So you got me as an audience right away. It's just that we are friends, so I'm in the Zoom call, but I came as an audience. And
Thank you, Malaga.
yeah,
Respect.
you keep doing your thing. You'll get so many Quakers, but less, but very good quality of believers too. So yeah.
Yeah, Malaga, I don't even like
Yeah, I mean, it is what
Part
it
of the
is. I
game.
know you're not looking for it.
Whoa,
part of the game.
whoa,
But
look at
respect
the
for what
volume.
you said, Malaga.
Oh,
Look at the
damn.
volume, eh?
Holy.
Woo.
What's
That's
happening? What did Jerome say?
He got fired.
Jerome said,
Again?
take
Oh.
your profits on gold and put it in pepper.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let me just exit out my
You know what
40
happened
minute-
now? Jerome listened to our stream and he was like, Malaga, these guys are gonna make a bug. Like, I'm hungry now. Let's bleed gold.
Little does Papa Paul know that we are gonna shot this if he's gonna give us a treat.
What do you say? I missed it.
No, I was saying that if he wants to make goalie bleed, no worries. We'll just take a breakout to
Oh,
the
yeah.
downside.
Yeah,
50%
for sure.
rejection and aim just for a 1-to-1. You know
But,
what I mean?
Look at how clean that 1 hour looks. If it were to close below there.
Yeah, bro. At 11 at night, though.
Like 400 pips of clean range. 11 at night, boys. We're staying up today.
Asia session.
Asian session, here we come.
Also, Malaga, the thing with Top Step is that they don't, like, in half an hour, the market is closing, right?
I mean,
Yep.
it's everywhere.
Yeah, bro. If they give me some prop, bro, like futures prop, which allows overnight holding, bro,
And
I'll
there's-
wait for goalie to retrace to a 4-hour level, and I'm gonna take a buy and let it go till the all-time highs.
And also, guys, gold stops moving at 12, right?
Yeah, the
what,
market's
bro?
closed. Like,
Yeah.
everywhere. The whole world.
Everywhere.
Yeah, but in personal accounts, like, you can keep, like, you
Yeah.
can pay the
keep
fee
it.
and you can keep the position, yeah.
But the,
Yeah, there's just a
market will
1-hour
move.
break from,
Yeah.
Europe. Germany time is 11 to 12, I think.
yeah.
Yeah.
For me, it's 12 to no, yeah, 11
One.
to 12. That's
Bro,
one for
next
me.
year it's my goal to hit a 100k trade, bro. And it would have to be
Like
like a swing
100k
trade.
profit in one trade.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It will happen,
want to
Malaga.
hit
Let's
that.
go.
I want
And
this to
I'm-
happen this year.
Bro, you're gonna go to $1 million a year, bro. $1 million trade.
What we're gonna do is that when NFP comes
Malaga,
out,
Janos, you already took that trade, Malaga. You just haven't,
Yeah.
It hasn't reached this TP yet.
you
let's
I'm
haven't
in.
realized the profit yet, Malaga. Don't forget.
I'm in.
he's in with 20 contracts.
price fluctuate, right? You know.
Nah, Ed. I don't wanna catch a 100k NFP trade. Nah, I wanna catch like a proper 100k trade. which
how
would
much
be-
we- risking
like
on that,
a
like-
playbook setup, like
How many
risk.
contracts is that?
Bro, I don't know about the contracts, but I'm gonna risk like at least 10 to 15k on that.
That you can do on
But-
personal, Malaga.
Exactly.
Ah,
Definitely
yeah.
not on prop firms.
That's what I was
But,
thinking. Like, you can only do like 15 on Top Step.
Oh no, not gonna do on top step. It will have to be done on a live account, bro, because I would need to hold it at least for a day.
But that's
Oh,
the goal,
bro, that'd
right?
be
Build up.
easy.
That's
Yeah.
the goal, bro. Like build up our personal and then scale our personal. You know.
Yeah, build the personal up with the Top Step.
Yeah, catch a
Yeah.
nice swing trade.
Yeah, just catch a really nice swing trade, let it chill, and in the meanwhile, till the time that trade is forming on the live account is developing, you keep trading the normal, regular, your combines and all your XFAs.
Or be like Raja and open a 50 lot, Malaga, buy for 10 to 20 pips.
I mean, we'll do that too, but I think
Of course. This is what I
2
want to
to
do,
3
Malaga.
years down the line, easy. That should be.
I
easy
want to
for
have
us.
the balls one day to open 100 lot in gold, Malaga, and be like, oh, 20 pips, Scott, done for the year, Malaga.
Yeah.
But bro, at that point, if you're opening 100 lot, right, 20k, nah, it won't be done for the year for sure.
No, but you know what I mean, like the idea.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
On
I don't know if
NFP,
it's a
you might be
100 or
done for the year. Catch like
Done for the
300
month.
pips.
Ed, next year we'll do NFP on live accounts.
Yeah, and we're gonna be like on 100 contracts.
Man, like a Jerome is dancing, Dennis.
Uh-huh.
Bro, we'll make sure Jerome quits.
At one point,
Jerome is playing ping pong, Malaga, from the bottom of the range to the top of the range.
he's gonna rug pull us.
Imagine, bro, gold goes to 0, right?
I would love that. I would love a rug pull on gold.
You want me
Yeah.
to get fired? You are rug pulled, Malakas.
Everyone sell gold right now.
Jerome pulls the plug.
Jerome was like, nah, hell nah, shut it down. They're making too much money.
Oh, imagine how much money people would lose if that happened. Like just one candle, boom, all the
Bro,
way
just
to-
imagine all the
What do you
gold
mean, bro?
you're wearing is
If
just
that happens,
worthless.
we are gonna see a war.
Yeah.
Like,
the trading.
That would
war.
be
everything is based on that, Malaga. Like, if that happens, we are dead.
If that happens, every country has been nuked.
Bro, if
happens,
that
just-
happens, then forget about it being top step or top 1. We are never getting that payout.
if that happens, imagine the price of pepper.
Malaga. Yeah, no, you just pack your bags, you go to New Zealand, and you sell your pepe there.
Yeah,
Bro,
I'm
he'll go
flying.
to Mars at that point if Earth is getting nuked, bro. He'll have enough money.
How is Pepe looking? I haven't looked at Pepe in ages.
Price fluctuate.
Has it broken all-time highs from last year?
Nah,
No, not
Trades
yet.
fluctuate.
it's still. Let me see.
I think Janos would be in Poland if that happened, Malaga.
It's
Bro,
200%
Poland will
away
be in
from there.
Janusz, bro.
Oh, okay.
Let's see, Malaga, if we're gonna get to see that bull, man.
Yeah, we're gonna see this month and then next month.
We're
And
about
then
to
in
reach.
December it's over probably.
We're about to reach that time. I remember when
That's
I was
the
in-
perfect timing, Malaga. Like, we're gonna get a nice Christmas gift from Santa
Yeah,
Claus this Christmas.
Christmas money is coming in.
Malakas.
So, Janusz, are you gonna liquidate majority around 20th of December?
Yeah, I will sell everything this year probably.
At the end of
What
the
do you
year-
mean? You're gonna sell your house to buy more pepe, or you're gonna sell pepe to buy a house?
I'm gonna sell all
House
my
to buy
coins.
more Pepe.
Plus, it's tax-free, right? Because you've been holding it for so long now.
Yeah, it's tax free.
But, bro, will you have FOMO if you sell everything?
Nah, cause I will sell in steps, you know.
You're gonna DCA out, basically, right?
Yeah, and then I leave like a little bag to run. And if I see it's dumping, I will just sell it off.
And then what you're gonna do with the money? Buy more combines or what?
Yeah, buy combines, put some in a live account, put some
Buy
on the
top.
side,
Crazy.
go on a vacation.
Buy Top Step on its own, like all the business.
Okay, Janusz, tell me something. So, with Pepe, right? Let's say
Yeah.
if it starts doing what it should be doing, you're gonna have so much money all of a sudden. What are you gonna do with so much money all of a sudden?
I don't
it all.
know, man.
I mean,
Malaga, you got me
like-
stressed right there, AB, with that question.
Like I
see,
said,
very
like
honestly, you can maybe go crazy and lose it all in 2 years, but
Nah, I
you
will-
don't
I
have
will-
some kind of plan.
I'll plan to put like 50 to 100,000 in a live account,
Okay.
and then the rest I would invest into stocks, new
Okay.
cryptos, and put some cash on the side.
Okay. That's nice, bro. That's nice.
That's like the ultimate goal scenario.
Yeah, and then just trade and chill.
Yeah, then milk some prop firms.
And finally go to Italy. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. we're gonna need to rent a fat Airbnb in Italy, and then we all meet up there and trade together.
Get a fat
Oh, like
pizza.
you coming to Lake Como? We're gonna go Lake Como, chill with our Aperol spritz.
Aperol
Aperol
spritz, yeah, and old money clothing,
Yeah.
just chilling.
Aperol spritz and a cigar with something else inside, which we can't say on YouTube.
I mean, nobody knows nothing.
With the green.
with the medicine.
Maybe we'll have a few more people there.
We do the TTE meetup.
No, we do a different kind
Unofficial.
of meetup. We do, yeah, an unofficial. Only people with a lot of money.
TTE
That
OG
kind of
meetup.
Yeah, TTOG. You know, I definitely, bro, like 1 year or 2 years down the line, however long it takes, I want to gather and all the people that started with me, wherever they are, and if they became successful traders, bro, I want to gather everybody together and then just, you know, just like revisit the old days and do a lot of crazy stuff.
Yeah, bro.
Whatever
Imagine the
money can
memories.
buy.
This is the purpose, man, like of the tribe also. Like, imagine us in a few years, man. Like,
You
Yeah.
know what we gotta do? We gotta meet up at that village, Alex. You gotta take them to the village.
bro, what do you
And do
mean?
the
Like
red
the
drop.
village, the village is gonna come to us, Malaka. We're gonna rent a villa beside the sea, Malaka, in front of the sea.
And then with the
By the sea.
yeah, no, definitely, boys. I mean, just 2 years ago, where we were, 2 years from then, now we're here. And
Crazy.
2
See,
years
like,
from
see,
now,
like how far you're gonna be in 2 years, though. Now that you know the process, Malaka.
Bro.
and you know the most boring part of it, this entire thing is showing up to the charts, waiting for the same trades, taking the same trades. That's the most boring part. But that's
Yeah.
the most important part.
Exactly.
The most boring stuff is the most important, though, right?
Exactly. I mean, some days I'm on the charts and I know there's no trade today. But
Yeah,
still, you know,
you
you
can
have to
just-
chill with the boys.
Yeah, just another day chilling, though.
Yeah.
No para.
I mean, bro, few years down the line, we'll all have like, if our trajectory keeps on growing and growing, so we'll have all of our family members around us and a lot of
Exactly, bro.
people around us. So at that point, we won't have the kind of time that we have right now that we are spending in front of the charts. So at that point, naturally, the chart time will go off because we won't need that much time.
Yeah.
And
At that point,
yeah.
the money will
Yeah.
be making money for you and you don't have to do nothing.
Exactly. I mean, just look at I take a lot of inspiration from Raja, bro. Like, bro, he rocks up to NFP, he loads up like a $1 million account, makes like technically he loses every time because I don't know why he takes impulse buys right before the news is about to drop. But okay, he's not following his strategy of buy stop, sell stops, which works crazy. So yeah, I mean, just rocking up like that, hit like 100 pips on 50 contracts, 50 lots, make like 50k. I mean, bro, just go on a vacation or do something, or put that money towards, you know, your friends' dreams. Like, if so, for example, a lot of my friends are in the corporate sector. So
Same.
2 years
All
down
of
the
them.
line, if I have the capital and they want to start something, bro, it's just gonna be that. Because like recently I made a lot of money from trading, bro. I can buy the stupid things that I always thought I wanted, but now I have the money, bro. I don't feel like, you know, spending it on stupid stuff.
Bro, the
But-
more money you have, the less money you spend on stupid stuff.
Exactly. And then, bro, the only good thing that I feel about money right now is when I'm out with my friends and we are having a nice dinner or something, bro, I like to pay the entire bill. Why? Not to flex. Of course, flex in my own